Cocoa Village. We're going to take a little walk, see what's going on around here. What do you say? Let's go. First Baptist Church. First Baptist Church has been here since around 1910, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous building. Let's get out of the street here. Probably not a good place for the old man to stand. I hope y'all are having a great day. At time of recording, it is Sunday, May 26th. We're coming up on the Derby Chapel. Derby Chapel, I know, was built in 1916. And it's still in total full use mode, which is awesome. You can actually rent this place for like, I think it's $450 if you want to have your wedding here. Or, you know, give a speech about the environment. Whatever. Multi-purpose. But it is very scenic. And more than anything, weddings are what happens here now at this day and age. I'll get a shot of the sign for you as well. So if you wanted to pause this and see exactly what it says, feel free to do so. Look how gorgeous this place is, though. Derby Chapel, Cocoa Village. You could get married here, I bet, couldn't you? Small, quaint, cute. All right, back to Brevard Ave. So Derby Chapel sits on Derby Street. How appropriate. Also want to say thank you to everyone for watching and subscribing. I think I just broke 170 subscribers, and I appreciate that very much. And I hope you all are enjoying the content and getting a laugh. So thanks for tuning in. When I was a much younger lad, I worked down here and had several jobs in the restaurant. You know, bar business, bartended, stocked bars, emptied bars, old Florida barber shop. They've been down here a few years now, pretty popular place. They used to be across the street over here, right next to my friend Danny Guy Day's salon, the Big Bang Studio, which is a local favorite. They sure stay busy there. So if you're looking to get your due did while you are down here in Cocoa Village, hit up the Big Bang Studio. Rebellion Wine Bar. I don't know much about that place. I do know it's been here a short time. Absolutely gorgeous day. I actually had to reshoot this video. I got up this morning to catch the sunrise, came down here, did my walk, got almost halfway done and realized I had no sound on the video. Huh. Sweet bastard. And we got Murdoch's, excuse me, Southern Char Bar. They've been here well over 20 years. Definitely a neat place. The decor in there's absolutely amazing. And the food is really good. They do get some live music. Watched a lot of local live bands there play. Had a great times in that building. Murdoch's Bistro Char Bar. Next thing we're coming up on is George and Dragon. Now the folks that opened this place up were also the founders, some of them, of Dog and Bone British Pub, which you'll see in just a little bit. But George and Dragon English Tavern here, Cocoa Village. Thought to play some live music, get stuff going. Very popular place. You can get you a good pint, little Arturo Fuente cigar, and just live the dream here for hours upon hours. Music will start there shortly, and that place will be rocking until 2 a.m. We're about to cross through Church Street, as you can see. This place does host a whole lot of craft fairs. They do a Mardi Gras festival. The floats and parade, all that good stuff. They've done that for many years down here. Been to entirely too many of those. You got public parking here at the old bank, $5, but you know what? There's plenty of regular parking down here. There's no reason to pay to park if you come to Cocoa Village. So like I said, this old bank has long since gone, but the murals on the wall out front have stayed. And the people that are in these murals, most of them are actually local folks that have done good things for Cocoa Village. So they put their faces on the actual bodies, and they change from time to time. But it's always neat coming by and looking and seeing if I recognize anybody. I don't, but... All right, heading north still on Brevard Ave.
Yeah, I might call it. Where's the car at? Do you want it?
Excuse me. Across the way here at this two-story building. When I was much younger, I had friends that lived upstairs in those apartments. They're no longer apartments, they're used for commercial purposes now, but that was a whole lot of fun being up there back when they would have the festivals and parades and stuff like that. Different perspective, and was really neat. Enjoyed that. Never lived up there myself, but coming up on Osario's Bakery and Bistro. They have been here doing French bakery items since 2003. They do an amazing fire grilled sandwich too that's absolutely to die for. So this is Osario's. Great coffee as well. Crossing Harrison Street. And coming up on the Cocoa Village Playhouse, which opened in the 1920s. They're actually the first playhouse that played a talkie in Brevard County. So back in the 20s when they opened, it was strictly silent films. But they were Brevard County's first talkie. They seat 600 people, and the place is just absolutely gorgeous inside. They do a top-notch show at this place. They bring in some of the best directors from all over the United States to do their shows. Right now we got SpongeBob the Musical going on. But that is Cocoa Village Playhouse. We're going to slide up here to Bel Air Courtyard, which has one of my favorite French restaurants, Cafe Margot, in it. Back there in the corner, Cafe Margot has been there since the 90s. Very popular place. Food is very good. This is Milpa, Tacos and Tortillas over here. For many years, this property was the Black Tulip Restaurant, which was a local fan favorite as well. They sure stayed busy for many, many years. I have not been into Milpa yet, but you know, I'll go any place that's got salsa and tacos. I mean, so it's just a matter of time before I venture into there. So we're gonna head back south now to Murtharp Park here, and that's where the folks were playing guitar at and whatnot. There's another entire parking lot back there that's, you know, more than accommodating. There are restrooms down there for the public as well. So like I said, you'll see some signs for paid parking, but there's really no reason to ever pay to park when you come down here. We're going to slide across here towards the park, and I'll give you another shot of Murtharp. And over there as well is the Dog and Bone British pub that I spoke about earlier. So some of the owners that started Georgian Dragon actually started right over here in the corner. That is the Dog and Bone British pub way over yonder. They got an upstairs with a nightclub as well. So now we're heading down Harrison Street. On the corner of Harrison Street down here is Pub Americana. Another popular place to eat and drink at. Upstairs is the Blind Lion Jazz Club. For many years before, it was Big Daddy Dave's Jazz and Blues Club. But Big Daddy passed on. Some other people took it over. He was a great man. I sure miss Big Daddy Dave. But that is the Blind Lion. Through that red door, straight up the stairs, all your jazz needs can be fulfilled. Pub Americana does a really good burger, some grilled stuff. We're at Taylor Park now. So Taylor Park's a local favorite as well. The wife and me have brought the kids down here for years, let them run around, climb trees, chase squirrels, you know, that kind of stuff. Pee in bushes. There are restrooms down here as well. And over on that side, you've got VIP Village Idiot Pub. Another local watering hole. It's been there several years now. It does real well. More public restrooms. That's the Indian River right in front of us. Don't let nobody talk you into ordering any of that Indian River mullet. And we got Ryan's Pizza on the corner. Really good pie over there. I'm going to show you now where they hold all the concerts and stuff. So if you ever see, like Willie Nelson played here not long ago. I think we watched Sublime with Rome down here as well. So this is Riverfront Park. Great place to watch a show if you can stand the heat. And sometimes people will just pull up in their boat and stay on their boats out there and listen. Have their own little private concert. Let's spin this around so you can see the stage area. And they put chairs and stuff out here. So, I mean, at nighttime, it's a pretty fun atmosphere. So once again, that is Riverfront Park in Cocoa Village. That bridge over there leads into Merritt Island, and then from there straight into Cocoa Beach. So you're not far from Cocoa Beach down here at all. Gonna slide up the back stairs here and show you the Prosch House. And old Mr. Prosch came here from South Carolina many years ago, made a fortune in oranges. I know that's a shocker. He had a wood structure house that was over here when he first got here, but then he built this mausoleum to himself over here that's now used, guess what, for weddings. You're definitely a little more money here than you are at the Derby up the street. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you'll have a blessed weekend and enjoy the rest of your holiday.